So for today's video, we are going to unbox and review one of the most powerful speaker from Tronsmart, which delivers 60 watts of power output. So if you are interested in this speaker, just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube account. You can also visit our online website, that is droidhero.ph. Welcome to our unboxing review. So here we have our Element T6 Max wireless speaker box. Syempre, nasa loob nito yung ating speaker. Medyo may kabigatan siya. Ayan. Here is the Tronsmart Element T6 Max speaker. And inside the box, we have an envelope that contains the user's manual guide, the Tronsmart warranty card, the 3 equalizer audio modes switching guide, and the Soundtest technology card. So wait, there's more. Sa baba ng ating plastic tray, we have the 3.5mm audio cable, the Type-C cable for charging, and a storage bag for our speaker. Droidhero is an authorized reseller of Tronsmart, and all Tronsmart product comes with 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Now for the build quality of our speaker, first for the dimensions, it is 140 by 140 by 193 millimeters, and it weighs 2.7 kilograms. It has a cylindrical form, which is crafted in premium aluminum alloy and fabric finish, which gives off a very high quality and elegant look and feeling sa speaker na to. Plus, meron siyang intuitive touch panel with integrated lighting sa taas ng ating speaker. Now, for the buttons and features of our Element T6 Max. So, para mapakita ko sa inyo, ita-turn on ko muna or pa-power on ko muna yung speaker natin. So, nasa baba yung power button natin. Ayan. So, tanggalin ko muna tong plastic. So as you can see, we have the volume controls dito sa touch panel ng ating speaker. So pwede mo siyang mapalakasan or mapahinaan with just a slight tap. At the center, we have the play and pause button. And you could actually change the audio mode for our speaker if you hold it for 2 seconds. So pwede kang mamili between the default, the 3D, or the deep bass. We also have here the voice assistant, the Bluetooth pairing touch button, and lastly, we have the NFC icon or the near-field communication button for fast and easy connectivity with NFC-enabled device. Now at the bottom part of our speaker, we have our power on and off button, the aux port, the DC port, and the Type-C port for charging. The Tronsmart Element T6 Max has a stable Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. It also has IPX5 rating for water, which means it is splash-proof. It also has TWS connection or True Wireless Stereo connection, so you can pair 2 T6 Max speaker to create a stereo sound. Plus, it has a 360-degree sound, which is equipped with Soundtest technology that ensures every beat of the bass is more intense, detailed, and defined. Now for the specifications of our speaker, it has an output power of 60 watts, which is engineered with 4 tweeters, 1 woofer, and 8 passive radiators. It has a battery capacity of 12,000 mAh, and you can get up to 20 hours of music playtime from a single charge. And you only have to charge it for 6 hours. Now for the most exciting part of this video, the sound test for our Element T6 Max. So magpe-play ako ng isang jazz, electronic, bass, and rock music gamit yung speaker na to. Let's go! doesn't get distorted no matter what angle you are facing it. It really offers great quality with powerful bass and wide range sound. And I guess the sound pulse technology really matters because it really ensures that the beat of the bass sa ating T6 Max is very intense, detailed, and defined. So just a quick recap for our T6 Max speaker. Again, it is indeed a powerful speaker with 60 watts power output and 360-degree sound. It also has the TWS connection or true wireless stereo connection, and you can get 20 hours of music playtime from a single charge. So what are you waiting for? Get this amazing speaker now! All you have to do is to visit our online website, that is droidhero.ph. We also offer other premium quality products ranging from laptops, tablets, mobile phones, headphones, Bluetooth speakers, microphones, and even tech accessories. Pay on installment is also available via Billease, so you can buy now and pay the rest later. If you have any suggestions on what products you want to see next on our unboxing and review video, just comment down below. Thank you so much guys for watching. Always remember, be safe, and we will see you again in our next video. Bye!